Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Monte Hotel in Santa Barbara, California, an unbound collection by Hyatt. Nestled in a residential neighborhood just across the street from East Beach, this charming spot is a paradise for beach lovers and anyone who appreciates the beauty of crashing waves. The hotel is conveniently located about a 15-minute drive from UC Santa Barbara, a place close to my heart as it's where I first met my wife and we are both proud alumni. With its distinctive Spanish architecture, the hotel exudes a charming ambiance. The furniture and decor are coordinated for a consistent theme throughout the property. The hotel is made up of several buildings, including the main building, Santa Cruz, Palmoro House with its own parking lot, and Santa Maria, where we resided for 3 nights. We were fortunate enough to redeem a suite upgrade award, and we're delighted to stay in a spacious One King Ocean View suite spanning approximately 568 square feet. This generous space comfortably accommodated our family of 4. The King Ocean View suite had a separate open living space with a couple of chairs, a coffee table, and a sofa bed with a foam mattress. We opened up the sofa bed for the kids to sleep on. Although it showed its age, it was adequate. There was also one TV with a safe in the cabinet and a small desk where we were greeted with some goodies to celebrate my son's birthday. The master suite's king bed was a bit old but comfortable. The overall feel of the room was like an Airbnb, with things that were less manufactured and more antique-like. I can see how this can be polarizing, for some people would really like it and others would find this not so attractive. The trees did obstruct the ocean view, but we could still see and hear the waves crashing at night. We were on a busy street, but by sundown the streets were fairly quiet. The bathroom included 2 sinks and ample space, complemented by a medium-sized soaking tub, though the shutters would not close completely. The separate shower with stone decor provided a visually appealing feature, but lighting was quite dim. Opting out of housekeeping service earns you 250 World of Hyatt points. The outdoor pool and spa were heated, though my kids said it was a bit cool. There was a decent amount of seating, and I can see this being much nicer on a sunny day. The bar with limited hours serves beverages for the pool area. The gym is located in the Santa Cruz building and has several cardio machines and free weights and a few strength machines. I was glad to see several Peloton bikes, and with Hyatt's collaboration with Peloton, I did accrue 100 World of Hyatt points. The low ceilings make the room feel rather small and crowded, but it was rarely busy. Monte also offers several on-site activities and amenities, including this bocce court. Coffee and tea is served in the morning, lemonade, and some snacks in the afternoon and evening. Also, a daily token for a $10 credit on a beverage at one of their on-site restaurants. Parking is valet only, and for this Valentine's Day weekend, it was packed. EV chargers are available in their garage, and the valet price is $48. Self-parking on the narrow streets might be available, and I used it to save some money. As Hyatt Globalist Elite status members, we were offered breakfast at either one of their on-site restaurants. Cafe Lido serves more Mexican-themed dishes, including street tacos and chilaquiles. The other restaurant is Costa Kitchen and Bar, serving a more Mediterranean menu. We dined here twice, and on weekends they serve more high-end items like crab benedicts and steak. The Globalist breakfast allowance is $35 per adult and $15 per child. Monte Hotel offers a unique stay that doesn't prioritize luxury or lavish amenities. Does it feel a little old? Yes. Is it a good value as a Category 6 Hyatt point redemption? Not particularly. Are team members friendly? Yes. Would I stay here again? Maybe, but that's only because I love Santa Barbara. What do you think? Thanks for watching.